I chose Lform as my marketing partner because,
we're working with a company that consistently responds to our needs.
Their knowledge has definitely
enabled me to claim back some time in my own schedule that then I can use on other tasks and projects.
So the way Lform helped contribute to our business and how we looked at our strategy was they helped us see our communication from the eyes of our customer.
We didn't want a larger brand that would ultimately give us to one project manager or team and kind of forget us. We liked the unique feel that Lform provided.
and they've been able to do that by really getting to know us, by really understanding our culture, understanding our product, how our product is different from the competition. And
we used to be maybe page 12 on Google, now we're on page 1.
I'd highly recommend Lform to another business.
I would absolutely recommend Lform to other businesses.
I would definitely recommend Lform to other businesses. I've actually already done so.
I would definitely recommend Lform to other businesses.
Would I recommend Lform to other businesses? I'd say absolutely, and I already have. So kind of a funny question.